What's up, traders? So let's do a full multi-time frame analysis of British pound US dollar. Let's find out what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, before I begin the full analysis, you are free to join my free Telegram channel. The link is below this video to have more value in it, and also subscribe to my channel to find more analysis like this. With that said, let's start with higher time frame. Let's see first bigger picture. Remember, trading is all about looking at the bigger picture, and then you can drop down to the smaller picture for entering a trade. Now, on the bigger picture, what we see that first of all, let's draw this very important level of resistance on the monthly time frame. Now, why I have drawn this resistance? You see, there is a resistance quite a few monthly candle rejected from here, and then what happened? You saw a very long time the price dropped, created the lowest possible price, and then the price went up to the same resistance, and we see a rejection from the same resistance couple of months. But there is one important significant, look at this here, there is a double top in this resistance. Look at this here, there is a head and shoulder pattern in this resistance. That means that this instrument is respecting this level of resistance, and we see head and shoulder. That means that from here we can expect a bigger move, so that we understand that this instrument is likely to drop. Now, narrow down to recent time frame, what happened in the last month? We see doji. Now, this monthly doji has a very important significant. What it is? Look at all this high of this monthly candle. You can see a clearly visible pattern. What you see that the price is respecting this dynamic resistance, creating series of lower high. Now, in this dynamic resistance, there is another important significance. Is this basically broken this resistance to the upside, created a false breakout and closed back below. Now, this month, what we see currently, primarily the price is going up. Why? Because if you see this kind of resistance, in most cases you'll see that the price normally tests this half of this week. So let's draw a resistance line on this half, just less than half week. What do you see that this weekly candle went above the at this exactly in the half week of the monthly candle, and then drop to the downside. So this is the monthly resistance. Let's see on the weekly time frame how the price is respecting. Now, you see this previous week the price respected exactly that resistance here. Look at this guy, what a similarities and pattern. You need to look like this. Remember, trading is not all about finding a candlestick pattern. You need to be able to see the pattern before they are developing, and that is called the trading. The real trader are those who can see the pattern even before they are forming. Smash the like button now. Now let's see on the daily time frame. So on the weekly we still bearish. Let's see on the daily time frame. Now, on the daily, we see that, you see, this is the resistance that we have drawn on the higher time frame. The same level is here also. There is a resistance here. Now we see that the price is rising up. We might not see next one exactly going there. What it is likely to do, it is likely to respect this trend line. It is forming another kind of trend line. It's a local trend line on the lower time frame. So the next, this candle, if only this candle goes up, respect this trend line along this level of resistance. If you see another resistance here, what do you see? There is a resistance here. You see there is a green candle among this red candle can provide you resistance. There is a resistance here. Now we can expect this price to go up as a retracement, test this level of resistance including this trend line, and then drop. So this is where we find the area of value. Let's see on the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the 4-hour, what we are expecting to see a possible head and shoulder pattern. Now this pattern could develop here or could develop here. So in case say this current candle drop below, closing below, creating a false breakout to the upside, dropping below from here, that means that it has created a head and shoulder here and likely to drop here. On the other hand, if this 4 hourly candle break above, then we likely to see a drop from here after completing this head and shoulder. So these are the two confluence area that we will be waiting for this price to fulfill the strategy, our golden strategy, all the rules of our strategy. Now if you find value in this analysis, smash the like button, and also don't forget to join the free telegram channel to find more update. And thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.